Hi guys, this is the Bitcoin August update. Today is 1st August. So, why is it important? Because today is the day when the Bitcoin fork has happened. Bitcoin has now split into two different currencies, Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. This course is related to Bitcoin. So, this chart is of Bitcoin, the Bitcoin, real Bitcoin that you already own. Now, as you can see, the Bitcoin chart doesn't reflect any problem at all. Why? Because Bitcoin is the base currency for all those cryptocurrencies. If you want to buy any new currency, you may not be able to buy it with real US dollars. You need to convert those US dollar to Bitcoin, and then those Bitcoin goes to like buy that new cryptocurrency. So Bitcoin is like the default currency, like the US dollar in the world currencies. If you want to buy, let's presume, Indian rupee, then US dollar is the one currency that is acceptable all over the world. It's the default currency. You cannot simply take Indian rupee and go to some other country, let's presume a country in Africa, to buy the African currency. They might not accept that Indian rupee. But if you take US dollar, they will accept it because it acts like a default currency. The same thing goes for Bitcoin. It acts as the default currency. Cryptocurrency exchanges may not accept US dollar for buying a new cryptocurrency, but they will accept Bitcoin to be exchanged into the new currency. So Bitcoin is the default currency. Now, let's look at the chart. The chart level, it says it has broken the previous low right here. This is not a good sign, but it has come down and gone back up. So it says it's not bearish as well. So I still currently stick to my guns and would say if you hold it good, because the price will be making newer highs. If it changes its mind, we will discuss it further. But currently there is nothing wrong with the price. On the monthly level it says it's going up. There is nothing wrong with it. If you convert it into the weekly level, it does tell you that this is the first high and this is the second high. So it may take a fall. But this level will always act as a support. However, I don't believe it's currently going down, because this second high is not really so much bad. But there will be jitters coming in. Why? Because Bitcoin Cash will confuse people. So selling will automatically come in. So do stick to your guns if you want to. If you want to book profits, it's up to you. But I would suggest stick to your guns. If you have holded it for so long, why not hold it more? Yes, there is a risk. The price may fall and may get back up. But if you are in for the long run, this is the good currency to be in. Now, why I am saying that there will be jitters? Because just look at it from the angle of a common person. Bitcoin is split into two different currencies, Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. Now, people will be the layman will always be confused. Okay, it has split into two, so which currency is mine? And he may not get the answer right away. So, in that confusion, what will you do? You will sell. That's the simple human nature. Because you want to sell so that you get the money in cash. And then you might run to find what is happening. And then you might come back to buy it again. That's as simple 2 plus 2 calculation. The problem is this will happen. People will get confused, and they, in a confusion, you run for the door. If you hear there's a fire going on, you may not find fire in the building right away, but you will run for the door. Why? Because you want to save your life first. Once you get out of the building, then you will try to find if it was a true information or false. And if you find it a false information, then you will go into the building back. The same will happen to Bitcoin. Because people will hear that there is some trouble and they will sell. So I believe a selling will be coming into Bitcoin. But in the long run, Bitcoin is not bad. So I will stick to my guns because I believe it will go back up. The first support that I believe is here is this level right here. This low, this low, this open, this low. So this is really important support at $2,400. So if it falls, it will fall to $2,400. If it breaks this support, it will go down to here, the second support, 2042, and the third support, 1829, and then I believe it will come back. So it's up to you, but I believe in Bitcoin. If I convert it into a 1-day chart, and let's zoom out, then again I see this is the resistance level. High, 1 high, 2 high, 3 high, and 4 high. So price is not really going up beyond 29, 27. Its highest point was $3,000. So it is confused and it may fall to $2,397. That is $2,400. But in the long run, it looks good. Let me show you monthly chart again. Now on the monthly chart, it shows that it is all green. Now when it is a sell signal, it is a sell signal as and when it closes below this open. Once it does that, it starts to fall. And it makes like a confusing environment, a sign of caution. It doesn't tell that it's like in a bear market, it's going down for the foreseeable future. It doesn't say that. But it does say if it closes below this open within this month, then it says there is a sign of caution, but not a sign of danger. So currently it's not doing that. Currently it shows it's really bullish. If we convert it again to weekly, on the weekly chart again it says the same thing. It's not going down because this kind of thing is danger. This green and this red. See, this red has eaten this green. This is the danger that I am talking about on the monthly level. As and when this happens, this is a sign of caution. But it is not a sign of danger. So currently on the weekly chart, Bitcoin doesn't look that bad. But as we discussed, selling will come in because this is a common rule of investing. Do look out for fear signs, and this is a fear sign. On the daily chart, it again looks brilliant. There is nothing wrong. But 2400 and 2000 level is an important level, and it may take a dip till that time. Thank you. Hi guys, this is the September update on Bitcoin. Now, as you have seen the August update, I told you that Bitcoin is bullish. Even though many students emailed me to say they believe otherwise. But just look at this. This is August. It started off, this is open, high, low, close. This O is open. So it started off at 2854 and closed the month at 4718. That's $1,900 gain. Approximately 70 or 80% gain within 1 month. And I told you in this month that it's bullish. Buy it. Buy it. And the people who emailed me, now they know I was correct. Now what do I believe from here onward? Today is 5th September. And as you can see, the price in September has dipped. It opened at 47.18, but now it has gone down to 4115 and the low is 3900. That means that's 20% fall since open till low. Now right here on the monthly chart, it still looks bullish. So on the long term, I believe it's a bullish stock. Now let's see what it looks in the next charts. This is the weekly chart. Now on the weekly chart, it looks bullish. It looks good. Now the thing to note is this red candle is of like Monday. Today is Tuesday, so the Monday movement is this red candle, which means it is eating the previous candle. This kind of thing is called a candle. Now whenever it eats the previous candle, it brings like a bad omen. So always remember it. Example, these three candles ate this, so it was a bad omen, and from 23.49 it dipped till 19.75. That $400 fall. But once this green candle ate this red candle, it was a brilliant omen and it rose up. So we have to watch this candle. If it ends like this, then this is a sign, that bad sign. So you need to be like vigilant. Okay, what to do next? But as of now, it looks brilliant. So you don't need to do anything like extra. It's making you money. Sit tight. Why like risk it? Let's move to 1 day chart. Let's zoom out. What does it tell you on the 1 day chart? It tells us that first of all, this is the major low. That is 3600. Then this was the major low. Then this was the major low. Again it's there. Then this was the major low. It has hit it but came back up. So our major lows are like really there. They're not giving us a scare. If you look at it, this was a major low, but it has been broken. So now I believe the price will be in a stuck mode. So it won't increase within the next few days. But at the end of this month, we can get good gains. Now I'm not a predictor. I cannot forecast what amount it will rise. I can only tell you if it is bullish, that it is going up or not. And I still believe it is going up. Now let's put the monthly chart up again. Now our major support is, let me check. I would say this. The highest high is this. And we will put this. Wait a minute. This. These are the three major levels according to the monthly chart. We need to remember this always. Let them remain blue. Now let's go to weekly chart. Now on the weekly chart, let us zoom out. This is another important level. I'm turning it dark green. Okay, it has broken this level. Next is this level. It has not broken this level, so it is still bullish. Now the rule of thumb is, if it breaks this level, it's going down. Now another important aspect is this blue line from monthly. This is really important. If it breaks it, this is the next low. But if it breaks this low, then there is some serious problem. Now as you can see, this blue line that we have made from the monthly chart is an important barrier. Whenever it goes below this, it will get stuck in between this blue line and this green line, this number 1800 to 2900. So currently it's bullish, but it can hit this line 38.57. It can fall to 35.76, but it's still bullish. No problem at all. If you turn to daily chart, the lines that we made initially are still there. They are telling us that they are important no matter what. On the daily chart, we do get another line made that is here. This low, this low, this high, this low, this open, this close, this high. So it's an important level. If it comes back up, then 41.68 will be like a problematic number. But if it crosses 44.74, then we can get the highest high again of 4900. This is 4969 or above. So it's still bullish, no problem at all. So this is it for September. I'm still bullish. So if you're holding Bitcoin, hold on to them. Don't sell it right now. It's a good price to sit on. Yes, I might tell you a bit late about selling. Example, according to the monthly level or even according to the weekly level, I would tell you to sell around $4,000. But my concept is get the most gain out. And once you get out of the Bitcoin, then it should be like a dead end. You should not get in again. So currently, I am extremely bullish. Hold on to your Bitcoins. Thank you.